very nice. Since I want to eat pasta, I'm going to be opening one right in front of you. As you can see, a lot of pasta is there. So at first they feel like plastic, but they actually do sooner or later become bigger and softer. And now I'm gonna put them in the pot and eat them later. You can see here I put water to boil. Let's start putting some in right away. And there you have it, a lot of pasta. And I'm gonna boil this for 10 minutes. So I just put in the entire box, this entire box inside of the pot. And now it's all empty, as you can see. So I just poured out all the things inside of the pot. So now I'm gonna add a bit more water. And that should be enough. And now I'm gonna drizzle on some salt. So now I just put on some salt on the thing. So now I'm about to put in another half teaspoon. Now instead of putting it for 10 minutes and letting it boil, I'm just gonna let it whistle. And that is much more easier and more sufficient. So now I'm about to remove this one off. So I just put the wrong one on accident, so now I'm gonna put the actual one now. And now let's wait for 3 whistles to be heard. So now that you can see, I made all the pasta that I made. So this is all of the pasta that I made. So now I'm going to start making it high and tight. So first I have soy sauce. Now I'm going to add some black pepper powder. And now I'm going to put some oregano leaves. And now to top it off with some cheese. And so now I'm going to pop this up in the microwave and letting it sit for a while, for 30 seconds. Now time to put it up. So I kept this for 2 minutes, and now just sprinkle a bit more soy sauce. And there you have it, how to make a good pasta. Look how good this is. Hot. Very nice. And now why don't you make some like this? Now as you can see, I added more of everything. So I put some more oregano leaves on this just to make it look good and smell good. This video, if you liked it, then like it. If you didn't like it, then still like it. And remember to subscribe and hit the ding 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 bell. Bye.